Dusting your way to cleanliness. Learn English through household chores. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on learning English through household chores. Today, we'll focus on a very common chore, dusting furniture. Dusting might seem like a simple task, but it can teach us a lot about verbs, phrases, and even some specific vocabulary associated with cleaning. So, get your dusters ready and let's start learning. To begin with, let's familiarize ourselves with the key terms. Dusting is the act of removing dust, tiny particles of dirt or waste, from surfaces, particularly furniture. The tool we often use for this job is called a duster. It's also common to use a damp cloth for dusting. In English, we can use the phrase, dust off, or just, dust, as a verb to mean the act of removing dust. For instance, I need to dust off the bookshelves, or, I am dusting the table. Now, let's take a look at some common sentences and phrases that involve dusting. 1. Could you please dust the furniture in the living room? 2. Remember to dust off the picture frames as well. 3. The bookshelves need dusting. 4. I forgot to dust the coffee table yesterday. These phrases demonstrate how dust and dust off can be used in sentences, and how they can help you talk about cleaning and organizing tasks. When we talk about the process of dusting, we can use a variety of verbs to make our conversation more engaging. Let's consider the following steps. 1. Pick up the duster. This refers to grabbing the tool you need to clean. 2. Wipe the surface. This action involves using the duster to clean the dust from a piece of furniture. 3. Shake off the duster. After dusting, you need to shake off the collected dust from the duster. 4. Repeat the process. Dusting usually involves going over surfaces multiple times to ensure they're clean. We can also use a number of adjectives and descriptive phrases to talk about how clean or dirty the furniture is, or how good a job you've done dusting. 1. The table is spotless. 2. The bookshelves are dusty. 3. She did a thorough job dusting the furniture. 4. The room looks much cleaner now. These adjectives can be very useful in making your English sound more natural and expressive. And that's it for today. We've learned how to talk about dusting furniture in English, using various verbs, phrases, and adjectives. Dusting may be a simple task, but as you can see, it involves a lot of language learning opportunities. Remember to practice these phrases as you do your chores. You'll be surprised how quickly your English can improve. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content, and remember, keep practicing and keep dusting.